Lower self-esteem people compensate by creating desirable qualities such as becoming warm, kind, more responsive, intelligent, and less common. They increase their effort to make their partners dependent upon them by taking responsibility for their partner's life tasks and limiting contact with other friends. So it's sort of like the person we often say that we don't want. Oh, she has a good personality. You know, she's warm, she's kind, she's intelligent, she's less common, and more responsive is the thing that we sort of do when we're trying to get somebody's attention. So if you are sort of ambiguous or indifferent towards loving me, we're going to now do all that we can to get you to change your mind. So we're going to now become responsive in other areas. We're still not handling the areas that we need to handle for our own personal lives. Instead, we get off that path, we get off that track, and we get on the track and the path and the route of trying to get you to see us. So I will iron your clothes, I will wash your clothes, I will cook you more, I will get up to get anything you want from the kitchen. I do more sex, other types of sex acts, things like that. And limiting contact with other friends might be, why don't we go out on a date sometimes? I know you like to go with your boys. Why don't we go out on a date sometimes? And so that's all in an effort to become irreplaceable.